Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to receive money using Tronlink. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I'm going to open up my web browser. And now from here, I want to go to click on extensions, I want to click on Tronlink. And now I'm going to log in and I'm going to click unlock. Alright, so I'm inside Tronlink on my web browser. Now from here to receive money, what you want to do is click on receive. And now you want to copy this code and paste this code on any other exchange. So if we go back here, I've copied the code. You can only send Tron, TRX, USDD or USDT over to this. So click on receive, copy, and then paste that code into Binance, Bybit or whatever and send funds using those three different tokens. And then once you've done that, your funds will appear here. So if I send over 100 Tron, it will appear here. Or if I send over 100 USD here or USDT here.